Welcome to MedBedSpaUSA.com.
Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that might surprise you. Why antacids might be making your heartburn worse. Remember those Tums or Rolaids we all thought were the ultimate fix for acid reflux? As a kid, I watched my big uncle munch on flavored Tums like candy. They soothe the throat and bring instant relief, sure, but do they actually solve the problem? Oh, spoiler alert, not really. In most cases, acid reflux is actually a result of low stomach acid, not too much. With low acid levels, your stomach has to work harder, churning more violently and longer, and that's what contributes to acid reflux. The relief felt from antacids is because calcium coats your esophagus and soothes the burn temporarily. But here's the kicker. Taking an antacid with low stomach acid only magnifies the issue, reducing the acid even further. So, what's the real solution? Here are some natural remedies to support and improve stomach acid production. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 8 ounces of water before meals. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink 15 minutes before meals. Take a few drops of digestive bitters on your tongue before meals. Ginger tea before meals or fresh ginger in your food. Use betaine HCl supplements. Start low, increase gradually under supervision. Eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, kombucha. Drink celery juice, 16 ounces on an empty stomach in the morning. Chew more. Aim for 20, 30 times per bite. Only sip small amounts of water when eating. Enjoy pumpkin seeds, oysters, beef, chickpeas. Relax by deep breathing, meditation or yoga. Only eat whole foods like veggies, lean proteins and good natural fats. If you're experiencing symptoms like bloating, feeling full quickly or nutrient deficiencies, it might be time to rethink your approach. Visit medbedspausa.com for more information and consultations. Remember, this info is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a professional wellness coach before making any changes. Stay healthy and see you next time.
Experience the benefits our client enjoyed the most. Read through the long list of testimonials on our website. Call for more information by visiting www.medbedspausa.com.